Hello everyone, I am Mihaela from Atelier Mico, and today I'm going to show you how I created this bronze metallic 3D painting. For this project we are going to need a canvas, mine is 30 and 30 centimeters, wood glue, fabric. For the fabric we are going to use a special kind which we linked in the description. Bronze acrylic paint with metallic effect, painting brushes, a staple gun, and a glossy varnish. I will leave in the description of this video all the materials we used. First, we're going to use the wood glue. We're going to mix it with water, half part water and half part wood glue. We're gonna mix it really well until it gets like a paste and it's smooth. We start applying water on the canvas so the wood glue sticks better. After that, we apply the wood glue on the canvas. Then we are going to take the fabric, put it on the canvas and start spraying it with water. Because this is a thick fabric, going to need to add water so it can absorb better the wood glue. After you have applied water on the fabric, you start applying the wood glue with a paintbrush. For this step, you have to be careful to spread the wood glue evenly so the fabric can absorb it better. Check underneath the fabric to see if it had absorbed it. After you made sure you spread the wood glue everywhere, you start modeling your painting. I wanted to create clean vertical shapes, but they were moving and wouldn't stand still. So I used some hooks to make them remain on the position I wanted. After that, you have to let it dry overnight. it had dried, as you can see, the fabric is very strong. So now we have to start staple it on the canvas frame. We start by cutting the surplus fabric on the edges. Then we start folding it, and then we staple it with a staple gun. Because this material is very thick, I won't apply a wall primer. This is the acrylic paint we used for creating a metallic effect. It is linked in the description. We wanted to create the same metallic effect on the draped technique as well on the plaster painting technique, but the spray paint isn't suitable for the fabric. So, for achieving the metal bronze effect on the fabric painting, the acrylic paint is more suitable. This is how it looked after one layer of paint. After that I applied 2 more layers. So in total I had applied 3 layers of acrylic paint. And for the last part, after it had fully dried, we dust it off with a brush and then we start applying the glossy varnish. This is the glossy varnish I used. If you would like to use the same product, you have a link in bio with it. So we start applying it easily and be careful to apply it evenly everywhere, and also be careful not to have any liquid drops on the edges. here is the final result. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. And also, if you know someone who would like to try creating 3D paintings, you can also share this video with them.